After introducing a new high-end 13-inch laptop, Framework turned its attention to its colorful and compact sibling. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The newly updated Framework Laptop 12 features Intel's latest Core Series 3 chips and an optional backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader. This time, Framework leaned on efficiency improvements the Intel Core Ultra Series 3 brought to its Framework Laptop 13 Pro. Pre-built versions of the new laptop features either a Core 3, Core 5, or Core 7 chip with 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB of RAM, or 32 GB of RAM. Framework says the Laptop 12 has improved battery life as a result of its new chip. Starting at 8 GB of memory isn't ideal, but it's because of the RAM shortage issues all computer makers are dealing with. You can even equip the Laptop 12 with up to 48 GB of RAM if you're happy paying $659 for that upgrade. Using the latest Intel chip brings other perks too, like support for Thunderbolt 4 on 2 of the Laptop 12's 4 hot swappable expansion cards and faster DDR5 RAM. The 12.2-inch display hasn't been improved, but you'll have the most flexibility via Framework's DIY option. Like the Laptop 13 Pro, the Laptop 12 also comes pre-installed with Linux. The company says over 80% of original Laptop 12 owners are running Linux, so it's decided to offer the new model pre-installed with Fedora with Windows 11 available as a $100 upgrade. The Framework Laptop 12 starts at $699 for a pre-built Linux configuration in green or $549 for a DIY version in black, gray, light purple, pink, or green. Framework is already collecting pre-orders and plans to start shipping the new laptop in October. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.